Consider a rarer medium having refractive index mu1 and a denser medium having refractive index mu2. Also, it is having a concave surface. An object is placed at the principal axis of the rarer medium. A light ray from this object incident at the concave surface of the denser medium. Then the line connecting between the center of curvature of the first surface C1 and the point of incidence is the normal at the point of incidence for the first surface. Since light is propagating from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal of the denser medium. Consider another ray which is incident normal to the concave surface of the denser medium and hence propagated without any deviation from the incident direction. Since these two rays are diverging in nature, extend the refracted rays backwards so that an image I1 is formed at the point of intersection. For first surface, object distance u, radius of curvature r1, image distance v1. So, the equation for the refraction at first surface is mu2 divided by v1 minus mu1 divided by u equals mu2 minus mu1 divided by r1, which is equation number 1. But actually this ray suffers another refraction at the second surface of the concave lens. For the second surface, this is the incident ray and this is the point of incidence. Then the line connecting between the center of curvature of the second surface and the point of incidence is the normal at the point of incidence of the second surface. Since the light is propagating from denser to rarer, it bends away from the normal. Since these two rays are diverging in nature, extend the refracted rays backwards so that the final image I is formed there. For second surface, radius of curvature r2, since the image of the first case becomes the object of the second case, hence object distance v1 and image distance v. So equation for the refraction at the second surface is mu1 divided by v minus mu2 divided by v1 equals mu1 minus mu2 divided by r2, which is equation number 2. To get the Lensmaker's formula of the convex lens, add equation 1 and 2. Then we get mu1 divided by v minus mu1 divided by u equals mu2 minus mu1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, or 1 by v minus 1 by u equals mu2 minus mu1 divided by mu1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Since 1 by v minus 1 by u equals 1 by f for the lens, equation becomes 1 by f equals mu2 divided by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. If the rarer medium is air, then 1 by f equals mu minus 1 into 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2.